All right, these are the results of a very late night coffee enema. I finished this enema just before 1 a.m. This morning at 8 a.m. I drank a Toxin Binder Drink. My recipe for that is 1 tablespoon Diatomaceous earth, 1 tablespoon Psyllium Husk, and 1/4 teaspoon activated charcoal, or 2 capsules, and I open up the capsules and just pour the powder in, and 1/4 teaspoon of Bentonite Clay. Now that's why this stool here is very fluffy, kind of fluffy looking, and black. The activated charcoal makes it black. The Psyllium Husk makes it this texture, and what it does is it goes through the intestines and catches parasites, which we have right here. Got a parasite in there, and I saw several too. As I dig through here, I'll show you. The water had a bunch of coffee in it, so what I did was I pulled all of this out using a measuring cup like this. I pulled it out, and then I flushed the toilet to get the toilet water clean and pour it back in. Pour the contents back in so I can videotape this for you and you can see it much more clearly. Look at all those parasites, and I noticed not only did I get parasites, but it looks like I also got some mucoid plaque, or it could just be huge ropeworms. Wow, yeah, this looks like a big ropeworm right here. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, wow. That is definitely a ropeworm. I can tell by the way that it looks. It looks like a rope. I don't know if you can see it real well in the video, but it kind of twists and looks like a rope. I was thinking maybe this was mucoid plaque, but this looks more like a ropeworm that ate a bunch of this activated charcoal and Psyllium Husk. That's what it looks like. So I took that Toxin Binder Drink at 8 a.m. in the morning, and this is before I'm going to bed, almost 1 a.m. that I expelled this. Also, I did drink the Toxin Binder Drink the night before as well at 8 p.m. and I did expel a couple ropeworms with that. I have a video here on my channel if you'd like to see that. That was from yesterday. But look how much more I got today. Wow, what a haul. These are the kind of hauls you want to see in the toilet, because then you know it's coming out of your intestines so that they can be freed up and cleaned out, so you can actually absorb the nutrients that are coming through the intestines, because these things will definitely block it and eat it, take your nutrients. So here's another parasite. I'm not sure. Yeah, that looks like it could be a rope too, ropeworm. I seem to expel quite a lot of ropeworms, and believe it or not, I've expelled some that were 4 feet long, and I have a video of that, so check out my channel to find it. But yeah, 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. It's unbelievable what I have seen come out of me. And I've been encouraging my mom to do this as well, and she took the Toxin Binder Drink one time at 11 o'clock at night when I did. We both took it at the same time. I have been doing a lot of detoxing and cleansing. She has not. And I started to expel dark colored stool like this by 2 a.m. that morning. We drank it at 11 p.m. By 2 a.m. I was seeing the activated charcoal, this black, coming out in my stool. I asked my mom to let me know when her stool turned black, and she told me it took 3 days for hers to come out. So that's how long it's taking for things to get through her intestines. Not good. Not good if you got all this crap sitting in there for so long. It's toxic. This is all toxic stuff here. So that's what it is. It's a toxin binder drink that I took to grab all this stuff as it's going through the intestines, the parasites, toxins, heavy metals. Okay, I see another rope worm in here. Okay, is that same one or is this a different one? That looks like the same one perhaps, but look at all these other ones here. I've got this here, here. I'll try to pull them out and keep them separate so you can see. They're a little heavier than usual, so they float, they start falling back down. So I think that was the only really super long rope. Really big and filled up. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that thing. I don't know if you can see the texture, why we call it a rope worm.